Good morning, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. We are back for this week. We had a very busy day today. We're meeting a gentleman to look at a property. We are meeting the MEP people, that is mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, with our contractor on property. We are meeting a tent company as well. And then we are gonna do work. I have a chef coming, and we need to mow the lawn. We need to start gathering stones for walls, and then we need to look at our fence too that I want to repair, and then all the office work in between. So I promised myself this website needs to go live this week. So we can't, we have to push it. Let's go. while I'm doing the grass, Jose is working on the stones that we found on property. So this is just like 10 minutes of work, so, and a square meter. So there's a lot more coming. So we had a busy day. It's not over yet, but we had a tent lady coming. We had company Lois coming. We had our contractors on property, and yeah, we very busy day today. But I just want to show you here. We are in this beautiful part of the property where we let just things grow by itself. And look, you see this beautiful butterfly in the back of me. So yeah, this is like a wild meadow too, with wildflowers from before, but just amazing. We're in this area to look at the fencing because we're gonna do some renovation here, and we have to fix some fences. So we're gonna take some measurements. We had a big storm passing through. It's not over yet. That's why I was able to cut a part of the lawn. But I couldn't finish because a lot of rain came in again, and it's not over yet, as you can see. But look at this beauty behind me. So we're here in the front of our property, and you can see the black fence turned into not so black. So it's still pretty strong woods. There might be some areas we have to do some fixes, but there's no animals behind this fence, so it's really more for the beauty and stuff. So I want to look into painting it and maybe fixing some areas. And we're gonna drive up now to an area where the fence is totally down, and we definitely want to replace that part. So getting some quotes in and see if we can do it ourselves as well. Let's go. So this is the area where we need to replace the whole fence. It starts somewhere behind the tree. I think trees fell over it over the time, but you can see the whole wood is rotten. Again, there's not really any animals currently in here, but it's more to, you want to open a nice hotel, it needs to be some nice fencing. This is our road in front of the hotel, and this is everything as far as you can see. So each of those bars are 16 foot. Kind of, they go too wide, so. But you can see there's this can last at least for a little bit longer. As you can see, I can live with this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
45.5 inch.
Yeah, che.